Hey guys, alternately outdoors. Just want to come on here and do a quick gun review on a Mossberg Maverick 88 20 gauge that I just bought. It's a pump. It's a 28-inch barrel, and it's a gun that I do not like. To be honest with you, I don't like it. It's really heavy. I mean, I bought it Friday. I paid, I think the tax and all was $255. So yeah, I mean, there's some good stuff on it. Like it has a let me show you the gun. I mean, I don't like this. Like right here on the gun, strap it away. I don't like how that's sharp. And this receiver. This is the safety. It's not. It's hard to take on and off safety. You can just make it. You just clip off safety. I mean, I shot at a squirrel, and I missed. I mean, I probably had opportunities to shoot squirrels. I just couldn't get the gun off safety. Shoot. I just couldn't get the gun off safety just to shoot a squirrel. I mean, yeah, 'cause I went squirrel hunting this weekend. I mean, that's the reason I didn't put. That's the reason I couldn't post the squirrel video, because I couldn't shoot any squirrels. I mean, I was able to get one shot off that one, and I missed it. But this gun's just this gun junk. I don't know why I bought it. I thought it was gonna be a good gun. I mean, it kicks like hell. Just yeah, I think this gun is I'm gonna probably trade it for another 22. I'm probably gonna keep it for a while, use it some, but it's probably gonna sit in my collection. Just collecting dust. I mean, the action's not smooth on it. I just wish. I mean, but for 200 something bucks, what can you get? I mean, I've seen shotguns for that price that were better than this. But I mean, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep using it some. I mean, right now, I mean, it has a modified choke in it. For right now, I'm probably gonna upgrade it to a full trigger. Got a heavy trigger on it. I don't know what the trigger weight is. I'm thinking around 5 or 6 pounds. It's a heavy trigger, maybe 7. But yeah, I mean, the gun, it works, it shoots, but I think it could have been better. I think Mossberg could have done a better job for a cheap shotgun like this. So, yeah. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe.